Hello students, let us continue to study the chapter on algebraic expression. Today we shall learn about like and unlike terms. So we know what is a term. A term in an algebraic expression is when we have two terms which are separated by addition or subtraction. So there has to be a constant and a variable which is separated from the other constant and a variable by means of a addition or subtraction. Now, when the terms have the same algebraic factors, they are called as the like terms. So they need to have the same factors. And when we have terms with different factors, they are called as unlike terms. We'll take an example so that we understand what are like terms and what are unlike terms. Now we have this expression 2yz minus 3z plus 5yz minus 4. Now we see that the variables 2yz and here also we have yz. So what I do is I group them together and I find the factors. It is 2 multiplied by y multiplied by z and 5yz I will get it equal to 5 multiplied by y multiplied by z. And I see the factors are the same and hence they are like terms. But if I take minus 3z and minus 4 and I see their factors, that is minus 3 multiplied by z and here I have minus 1 multiplied by 4. Now here the factors are not the same as in this case. Here we were getting it same but here we are not getting it same. So therefore we call them as unlike terms. We'll take some problems where we need to classify the given terms as like or unlike. So the question is, group the like terms together. We'll be given many terms. We have 12, 12x minus 12x minus 25 minus 25y, 1x, 12y and y. So what we will do is we'll take only the constants together first. I have a constant which is 12. Then I have another constant which is 1. So I can group these two together. Then I have 12x. So I can group all the x terms together. This is 12x minus 25x. Then I have then I have x. So even the constant term 25 is there. Now what is left is the y terms. So I will group them together. So on grouping the terms, I will get minus 12x, minus 25x and minus x. I'll see y terms which were minus 25y, 12y and y, and the constant terms that was 12 and 1. And also there is minus 25. State whether a given pair of terms is like or unlike. Here we have 1 and 100. Now we know 1 and 100 both are constants and therefore we can say that both are like terms. Take another problem. Here we have 14xy and 42xy. So we know the factors, that is xy and xy are the same. Therefore, it is the like term. Take another problem. Now we have 1 multiplied by m, that is 1m, and 100. 1 multiplied by 100, that is 100. Here we have a variable, but here we do not have a variable. So the factors are not the same. Therefore, we can call them as unlike terms. So this will be an unlike term, an example of unlike term. Take another problem. Here we have 12xz and 22xz. Here the factors xz and xz are common. So therefore, we say that as these two factors are common, we call them as like terms. So today we learned about the like terms and the unlike terms. When the factors are common, we call them as like terms. And when the factors are different, we call them as unlike terms. Thank you, students.